Today we're setting up a new bed frame that looks nice, can hold up to 400 pounds, has a charging station, and a shelf on the back, and in my opinion, really ties our room together. And this bed frame from LIKIMIO comes shipped to your door, ready for you to sleep comfortably as well. Cut open the box and lay out your parts so you can see what's what. First, locate your instructions and hardware. Then build your headboard. After the headboard is built, set that aside, then build the footboard. Next, we're going to build the sides of the frame and connect those to the footboard, and then to the headboard. After that's nice and secure, we're going to mount the main support beams in the middle, then put down the rest of the slats. Now it's time to put in the charging station. It just slides into place, then you can screw it down. I used a drill here, but a normal screwdriver would work fine for those little screws. And like that, your bed frame is built and ready for your mattress. No box springs needed. So we laid out a new mattress and made the bed. And I've got to say, I'm really happy with how it looks. We specifically got this frame because we wanted one with enough clearance for our dogs. This has an opening on the bottom of 10.6 inches or 27 centimeters, which is more than enough space to store some items, or your dogs. Now our dogs can sleep under the bed instead of in the bed. Now, we got the queen-size bed frame, but it does come in all different sizes to fit your bed. I also like the charging station on the back. We can easily charge up our items, power night lights, and more. The headboard is soft to the touch, and I like that fabric. I think it looks nice. The bed frame is durable and feels solid. There's no wobble or creaking. I think it'll last a long time. I also like how lightweight it is. I can easily scoot the bed out if I need to. As far as downsides of the bed frame, it's easier to build with help from someone. Having someone hold it in place while you bolt the pieces together is helpful. But I think it'd be possible to build it alone with some elbow grease. Other than that, I have no complaints and loving our new bed frame. So if you're looking for a new bed frame to tie your room together as well, this bed frame from LIKIMIO might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go take a nap. See ya.